Murph, you're being a good sport.
Good hey, Marcus, get back on there.
Hey, Murph. Marcus, come here. Ride Murph. Come ride Murph. Come here. No.
You want to go yeehaw?
You want to go yeehaw?
Murph, you're such a good boy.
Yeah.
You want? Come here. Ride Murph. Marcus, come here.
Want to go for a ride?
Right.
Ride? Ride on Murph?
Come here.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Say yeehaw. Gentle, 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 gentle.
Gentle.
Oh. Buck and Bronco.
Buck and Bronco. Saddle him up. Come here, Murph. It's time you get ready. Okay, there we go. Saddle him up. Now get on. Now get on. There you go.
Say yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
Wait.
Wait.
Hurry. Hurry. Get him. Yep, that's hot. What are we cooking? Are we cooking bread?
That smells good.